I created a crime noir webcomic in roughly 30 minutes. Check it out. 7 pages, 31 panels. I can't believe this took me less time than digging through Netflix for something good. This is made possible through a web app called Dashtoon. Let me show you how you can do it. Start by clicking create a new Dashtoon. Then here is where you paste your story. You could create a story from a text prompt, but I like bringing my own stories to life. So I'm gonna just copy my story here and then paste it here. Then click create Dashtoon. Did I mention that this is free? Then in here, you're gonna need to select the art style. In my case, I'm choosing American Classic. So the system automatically detected the characters in my story and assigned avatars for them. But since I created my own original characters prior to this, I'm just gonna find those and use them instead. For me, it's much better to create your own original characters to stand out. For this character, I created this one. And in the alias, you're gonna need to write any keyword that refers to this character. This will allow the system to generate your comic panels right, even if without using the full name. So I'm gonna do the same for the other characters. There I have all my characters ready. So click next. So right here in the screenplay mode, it's generating the preview panels. These are not the final panels. Dashtoon usually generates 3 panels as a preview of what the entire comic is gonna look like, so as not to waste your credits. Like this one marks panels that are yet to be generated. So what you can do is just check out the details, see if there's anything wrong with the prompt, see if there's anything that you need to change. Now would be the time to change them while you still haven't spent your credits. But in my case, I'm just gonna generate them all without editing them. Now it's time for you to wait for about roughly 10 minutes for everything to generate. Just sit back and relax, maybe get a coffee or something. Now we're back. As you can see, all the panels have been generated. Now what we're gonna do at this point is we're gonna go to the editor. This will allow you to view all the panels as a webcomic. If you zoom out, you see that there's pages here, page 1, page 2. So it's been roughly 20 minutes since I've started, and at this point, 90% of the job is usually done. That last 10% is usually about increasing the quality and making sure that the comics came out the way you envisioned. That last 10% is usually what's gonna take about an hour or 2 hours more. If you take a good look on each of the panels, you're bound to find some aspects that didn't follow your instructions well enough. So there are 2 ways to fix that. You can go back to screenplay and then you can regenerate any of these images. For instance, in my case, let's say this one didn't generate correctly. I'm going to regenerate this one. Now this is going to cost credits, so be mindful of, just take that into consideration. The other option is to use the mask tool to inpaint. It basically is a feature that allows you to change only a portion of the image instead of regenerating everything. Let's say I want to change this old man's tuxedo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the color black, and I can just color it. So as you can see, it doesn't need to be perfect. Now we're going to be using the mask tool. Then we're going to paint it all over the areas that we want to change. Now we're gonna go over to the right and we're just gonna change the description into, and that should do it. All right, it's done. Let's see what we have. Oh, this one already looks good. All right, I'm gonna show you the before and after images. I'm also gonna spend a few minutes fixing the speech bubbles so they won't look like crap as they do now. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna publish my webcomic by clicking here. And that's how you create a webcomic episode in 30 minutes or less. Now, 2 things before I go. One is I've linked this comic in the description so you can see if it meets your standards. And 2, please know that it took me weeks to get this efficient at using Dashtoon. So don't worry if it takes you longer at first. But here's a pro tip that will surely save you a lot of headaches. Before using Dashtoon, consider converting your story into a comic script first. This is by no means required, but it helps ensure the generated panels align perfectly with your narrative. Here's the cool part. You can automate this. Just copy your story, head over to ChatGPT or any similar tool, and ask it to convert your story into a webcomic script, then paste your story, and then let AI do all the work. You may have to adjust some parts, but 98% of the job is done. I'll leave a link for you to sign up to Dashtoon in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.